This is the Railking Mike's Train House 1970 MTA New York City 4-car subway set. The model number of this set is 30-2122-1, and it's the Proto Sound version. This subway set has an operating headlight, durable ABS detailed bodies, operating die-cast metal couplers, detailed seat interiors, fast angle wheel sets and needlepoint axles, undercarriage chassis detail, overhead interior lighting, DCRU reverse unit by QSI, and 2-position flywheel quick motors and power unit. It also has die-cast trucks, operates on 027 track, compatible with most transformers, and the set includes 1 twin motor unit and 3 non-powered cars. The set comes with a Mike's Train House Railking manual, and the set is officially licensed by the New York City MTA. I'm using the Lionel CW80 transformer to test the cars. These cars were built in the late 90s, and the set's about 30 years old. This is a prototype of the 1970 cars that the New York City Transit Authority used. It has the blue color scheme, and it's the D train, 205th Street in the Bronx to Coney Island, Brooklyn. Each car is numbered, and it has the MTA Transit logo from the 1970s. There's the D train logo, headlights, there's the windows, and it has the poles inside the car, and the seats. There's the doors. Here's the top of the car. It has metal wheels and couplers, and has a plastic base. Let's see how this looks lit up. These cars have 4 light bulbs inside that light up the whole car. There's the lights on the ceiling. There's a gray floor with gray seats. There's the poles. It's really detailed for the late 90s. Here's a better view of the chairs and the pole. It has air conditioner units on top. I don't know if you can see it. There's the doors from the inside. There's the D-Train logo. And here's the headlights. And the logo again. And a lighted view inside the train. This is the power unit that controls the train. Let's see how it looks. The powered unit has nothing inside, just a motor, and it's lit up around the edges inside the windows.